Can I reset my Blupeak password if I forget it? Yes, you can easily reset your Blupeak online banking password if you forget it. Losing access to your digital banking account can be stressful, but financial institutions like Blupeak Credit Union provide a straightforward recovery process to get you back into your account securely. To start the password recovery process, navigate to the official Blupeak online banking login page or open the Blupeak mobile banking app on your smartphone. Look for the Forgot Password link or the Account Access Help option located right near the main login fields. Clicking or tapping this option will direct you to a secure verification page designed to confirm your identity before granting you access to change your credentials. For security purposes, you will typically be asked to provide identifying details associated with your membership account. This often includes your username or login ID, along with verification details such as information tied to your phone number or email address on file. Blupeak utilizes multi-factor authentication to ensure that unauthorized users cannot gain access to your private financial information. Once you input the requested information, Blupeak will send a temporary password or a secure verification code through one of your pre-registered contact channels, such as a text message to your mobile phone or an email. Follow the specific prompts provided on the screen to enter that temporary credential or verification code. After your identity is successfully verified, the system will prompt you to create a brand new password for your digital banking profile. When choosing a new password, always ensure it meets Blupeak's security criteria, which generally require a healthy mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to keep your account safe from cyber threats. Avoid using easily guessable information such as birthdays or common words. Once your new password is confirmed and saved, you can immediately log back into your dashboard to check your balances, review transactions, pay bills, and manage your finances as usual. If you encounter any technical difficulties during this recovery process, or if you no longer have access to the phone number or email address linked to your account, you do not need to worry. You can reach out directly to Blupeak customer support for assistance or visit a local branch where a representative can help verify your identity manually and help you regain secure access to your online profile. Keeping your login details secure and knowing how to recover them quickly ensures your digital banking experience remains seamless and protected. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.